Traditionally, farmers and agronomists check their crops simply by walking fields. But now, unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, make it possible for us to field check faster and gather more data than ever before, all while saving time and labor. Today, farming operations of all sizes are using UAVs to gather high-quality images for field checking and field mapping. With a wide variety of UAVs and camera options available on the market, you can find one to fit any budget while still adding value to your operation. Even by using a consumer UAV, it's possible to fly and collect images from an 80-acre field in less than 30 minutes. You can view these images within minutes of the flight, and in some cases, even live as you fly. UAV optics range from basic, wide-angle lenses to higher-end options for more advanced imaging. Once your imagery is collected, you can integrate it into other precision ag applications, such as with yield data, as-applied maps, or soil maps to create a detailed look at what is happening within your fields. UAVs also make it easier to gather images through the year as crops grow and weather changes. Accordingly, farmers who use UAVs are often able to identify and address issues in their fields before they become a real problem. After you fly a field, you'll need to do some ground truthing to assess what you see in your images. But compared to the limitations of traditional field checking, UAVs allow you to assess more of your acreage in more detail than ever before. UAVs quite literally provide you with a bird's eye view of your farm. You can reduce the costs and the time that come along with field mapping and traditional aerial photography. While they're not totally a substitute for checking the field on foot, they can certainly be a valuable asset in any farming operation. Visit soilhealthpartnership.org/UAV to see how you can integrate UAVs into your field checking routine.